Did you know the Statue of Liberty was a gift from France? Yes, that's right. This towering symbol of freedom stands tall at 305 feet and was a generous present from the French to the United States. The man behind this majestic sculpture is none other than Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, a name that resonates with the spirit of liberty. Now, an interesting tidbit is that the construction of this iconic monument was not a one-sided affair. Both French and American contributions poured in to bring this symbol of liberty to life. So, the next time you see Lady Liberty, remember it's a gift that symbolizes the friendship between two nations. But what does the Statue of Liberty symbolize, really? This colossal figure standing tall is a masterclass in symbolism. At her feet, a broken chain signifies the end of slavery, a poignant reminder of a dark chapter in history. But she doesn't dwell on the past. Instead, she holds aloft a torch. This torch, once damaged in a World War I explosion, now shines brighter than ever, covered in 24-karat gold leaf. It's a beacon of enlightenment, a guiding light towards a more enlightened future. But the symbolism doesn't stop there. Look upwards and you'll see her crown. This isn't just a fancy headpiece. It represents the 7 seas and continents. This is a universal symbol, a testament to the spread of liberty worldwide. So next time you gaze upon the Statue of Liberty, remember, every intricate detail stands for something powerful. It's amazing that so much thought and detail was used in her creation, don't you think? Ever wondered about the engineering marvel behind the Statue of Liberty? Well, let's delve into that. The creation of Lady Liberty was no small feat, and it required the genius of Gustave Eiffel. Yes, the same Eiffel who designed that iconic Parisian tower. Eiffel was tasked with designing the statue's iron skeleton, a structure that would allow this towering symbol of freedom to sway gently in the wind, embodying the resilience of the liberty she represents. This was a groundbreaking feat of engineering for its time, a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of the enduring friendship between France and the United States. The construction was funded by contributions from both nations, a joint endeavor that saw the rise of one of the world's most recognizable landmarks. The statue stands majestic, a symbol of liberty visible from miles away. She's not just a silent sentinel, her 24-karat gold torch gleaming in the sunlight, a beacon of hope and freedom to all. It's not just a statue, it's a work of art, engineering, and a symbol of freedom. Fascinated by these fun facts about the Statue of Liberty? Maybe you've got some little-known trivia up your sleeve too. We'd love to hear it. Drop it in the comments section and let's get a conversation started. Why keep all these fascinating facts to yourself? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Facts for Bored People for more intriguing information like this. Keep learning, keep exploring,